the University of Michigan has an amazing history and legacy in hunter-gatherer studies in general. Understanding sort of the evolution of humans and the evolution of cultures is a great strength here, starting really with the foundation of the department. Later on, the department made hires, and specifically the museum made hires that massively strengthened hunter-gatherer deep time archaeology, especially Bob Whalen came in the 1960s and followed shortly by John Speth, both of whom were hunter-gatherer archaeologists working in different parts of the world. Bob was directing large rock shelter excavations in Central Europe and Southern Europe. And at the same time, in the museum, there was a geoarchaeologist named William Farrand, Bill Farrand, who was sort of considered the godfather of cave and rock shelter of geoarchaeology, of understanding how sediments and how sites form within caves, and how artifacts can be extracted with maximum information about the environment and site formation processes. So Michigan was really at the forefront of cave and rock shelter archaeology for a very long time, and it continues to hopefully be important. I was hired hopefully to continue some of that tradition. I study Southern African hunter-gatherers, and especially the behavioral evolution of our species in Southern Africa over the last sort of 300,000 years or so. I'm working in a couple of large rock shelter sites, and these sites are situated in kind of challenging environments. Most early sites in Southern Africa are situated in coastal environments, which would have been relatively comfortable, relatively stable and predictable for hunter-gatherers. And we're working in kind of high altitude and very arid environments to try to create some counterpoints to those records of nicer environments, to understand how we can get at sort of the incredible plasticity or flexibility behaviorally of our species, which is sort of the hallmark of our species and of modern hunter-gathering people today.